What is up, you beautiful bunch of people? A warm welcome from northern Morocco here in the coastal town of Tangier. I have no plan for today. I'm just gonna walk around, explore the city, taste some food maybe, and yeah, show you guys around. We're heading over now to the point where you can see Spain. We're that close. Voila, little short walk, you can see beautiful blue water, and Gibraltar is these mountains in the background. So this part of Morocco connects, Northern Africa to the Mediterranean. So I think you can see Portugal, Spain, Gibraltar. So yeah, a cool place. If I was to compare this city to anywhere else I've been, it would have to be Da Nang in Vietnam, but it has its own energy, it has its own feeling. You can see the skyline, people enjoying the beautiful weather, and yeah, we're gonna head over now to the Medina. And if you're watching this from Europe, you might be a little bit envious of the sunshine. Spoke to my family, they said, yeah, it's gloomy back in Wales. But yeah, it's a very short trip. I flew in from Bristol, a few hours, and I'm in the sunshine. I'm in Africa, baby. All right, voila, we've spawned into the Medina, and it's super beautiful. We're so close to Spain that I've just got a text from a mobile provider, like, welcome to Spain. And I was in Spain twice previously this year, and the feeling is very similar. Like, I think Europe is glorified for many people, especially Australians, Americans. Europe is like the dream, right? But baby, come to Africa, come to Morocco. Yeah, I love just getting lost through the Medinas, and the architecture is wonderful. And from my understanding, a lot of the architecture in parts of Spain actually is built by Moroccans. Okay, I'm just wandering about, again, getting lost. But the languages here are super interesting. Like, yes, they're speaking Arabic, and then they have their own kind of dialect, Darija, I think. And then you have French, Spanish. This part, more people are speaking Spanish. That's what the language I'm hearing. But some kids came over to me and they were speaking, Spanish. No hablo español, so I speak a little Arabic to them for such big, bright smiles. But yeah, if you can speak just a little bit of any of them languages, you'll be good. One of the reasons I think that I love this country so much is I blend in. Like, I don't stick out, Growing up as a little brown boy in Wales, you kind of feel different. Never had any bad experiences, but yeah, you feel different. Whereas when I come to countries where I blend in, it's like, I can get away with being local. You learn some of the language as well, and you are set. Look how picturesque these streets are. It's, reminding me of like Portugal vibes. And Chefchaouen giving me Greece vibes. And that's what I mean, you don't have to go to these places where everything is very expensive to enjoy the same kind of architecture, the same kind of vibe. Yeah, habibi, yalla, come to Morocco. And we've made it to the Casbah, which is like a fortified palace. And I am gasping because I've been putting a proper strut in. And you know what, I've learned that works. If you're walking around and you look like you know where you're going, people don't really bother you. But I don't think that's the case. And I don't think you have, just because you've learned that one thing works, you don't have to do it everywhere. So I think you can just walk around here, chill. You don't have to worry too much, you're free to roam. If you guys saw the Marrakesh video, you'll see that I was on the hunt for some football kits. And they were asking like super high prices. So we're gonna go see if we can get one and secure one for a good price. Assalamu alaikum. كيف حالك؟ Alhamdulillah. Wahid kam timam?
Tamam.
How much is one?
200.
It's 200. Okay. And for two?
400.
400. Okay. The Liverpool, like the sizes?
The what size?
Maybe.
Large. Large or medium?
I tried before Marrakesh. I was extra large.
Extra large.
Extra large, if you have.
This.
In Liverpool, yes, please.
This 150.
Okay. Shukran.
This 200.
The quality is different.
The quality.
Okay.
Look this. This 150.
Yeah.
What?
Okay.
This.
Do you have the same in this extra large? من هون Tangier?
شنو؟
You're
انا طنجة يا
a Tangier. Very nice.
تتكلم العربية؟
شوي شوي.
شوي
شوي شوي. Tamam? Perfect. Could I get what? Ooh, this one?
The number.
Number? Ah, you print numbers.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. And
From
me? And I'm in Britannia.
Britannia.
Britannia. You do like name and number?
Yeah.
Okay. And it's how much to print?
Three.
300. 300.
No. 200?
Yeah.
Three euro.
3 euros. Okay.
Terminio.
Vermelha, yes. Brazil.
يا برازيلي. كيلعب في السد دابا. السد قطر. بلاير دي قطر.
No, for now Qatar. Yeah.
السد.
Okay, bag secured. And I got Firmino printed on the back, which you might think like he doesn't play for Liverpool anymore, but my favourite player. So much flair. I'm lost. And yeah, the price was 230 including the print. And that is expensive for Morocco, like the normal price of a kit is like 80, 70, 80, but this way maybe. But the quality was so much better than the ones in Marrakesh. So I went for it, and yeah, I'm not very good at bartering. I think Bizef is like expensive, but they seem very firm on the prices. Boom, now leaving the Medina, back out by the port. And I've got to say, that was one of my favorite Medinas. Just walking through the winding streets, and it's so pretty, so pretty. Like I said, you have that European feel here, but the heart of Morocco, it's surprised me. Tangier surprised me in the best way possible. And I've got to say that I know people come to Morocco only to go to Marrakesh. My sister did that, right? And I think if you're staying in like a beautiful Riyadh, of course, amazing. But my experience with the people outside of Marrakesh has been more authentic. Like obviously it's a bustling city, people are selling all their stuff, but the prices outside of Marrakesh, the feeling outside of Marrakesh, for me, has been much better. And yeah, I'm surprised at how much I've loved this country. I came here without a real plan, and I wasn't super excited to come until, you know, the day of my flight. But now being here, like, inshallah, I'm coming back one day, because there's so much to this country. There's so much beauty here, there's so much diversity, and I've only scratched the surface. But after being here for like 2 weeks, I can say, yeah, positive reactions or positive connections with the people, and yeah, I'm glad I came. And I would have hung around in the Medina, do some more shopping, get some food, but I've got a date, so I'm gonna head there now. Okay, my date plans fell through. And by my date, I mean a date with Liverpool. Not a bad deal, eh? Yeah, I tried so many bars and stuff walking through, but Barcelona is playing. So of course, we're next to Spain, everybody's watching that. And I know, like typical British boy, goes to a foreign country and tries to find the football. But you know what? I'd say Morocco might love football just as much as the UK. It's so ingrained in the culture. Like I see so many kids playing football around the Medina. This is a big city, and like you just see people, the love for football is here and for sport, and it brings people together. And yeah, I think that's beautiful. But 1-0 down, no good. Okay, we ended up losing 3-0, but it is what it is. I've got my top, I'm happy, okay? And I know you're gonna say like this is double the price of normal, like, but I don't care. Come on, man, look. Firmino, goal, 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 goal. Yeah, no, like I'm happy to pay, it was like 20 quid, so I'm good. Quality is super. But yeah, I'm gonna show you quickly my room. So this is an Airbnb. I will put it up on the screen right now. We have your own balcony, as you saw that I was watching earlier. Super nice place. Ooh. Bathroom. Even have a tub. And then walk out here. Nice little living area. And then the kitchen, which I have actually enjoyed using. Because when you travel, like, for sure, it's nice to eat all the local food, but I decided yesterday to cook, and I'm happy I did that. But yeah, the host is like amazing, super friendly, and yeah, I've had really good conversations here. I'm glad I picked this place. But yeah, this has been all over the place today. Just getting lost through the Medina, little bit of shopping, but I've actually really enjoyed Tangier, I gotta say. Like, it's completely surprised me at just how beautiful it is, and the vibe here is really nice, so I can definitely recommend it. And yeah, tomorrow we're gonna go to a very unique place, a place that most people in Morocco I've spoke to, everyone actually that I spoke to has never heard of it. So I'm gonna rent a bike tomorrow, try and go to this mystery little spot. And yeah, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.